hiking the Dutchman Trail northeast from the Peralta Trailhead. I think I've gone about a mile, another half a mile or so to the middle trail, coming up from the lower barks, heading for the middle trail about another half mile. A view of Thumb Rock will be much closer to that once I reach the Dutchman's Middle Trail. I'm about ready to reach the middle trail, so I've made it in less than an hour, so that's a good time. Dutchman's Trail continues that way to connect with the Coffee Flat. The middle trail heads north